Alcohol provides us a personality. It gives us permission to be who we truly want to be, to feel how we truly want to feel. The opposite of addiction is connection. So when alcohol becomes the easiest route to connecting to who we truly want to be, then we start to prioritize that character over our own personal growth. The more we practice being the preferred version of us with alcohol, the further away from the actual version of us that we are capable of being. What's the point of actually working on confidence when one sip of alcohol provides liquid courage? What's the point of focusing on your anxiety when alcohol just numbs your awareness to how awkward you feel? Alcohol provides us a false sense of security and control. And when we stop drinking, all of that illusion disappears and we don't know who we are. If alcohol is no longer providing you a personality, then it's your responsibility to design one without alcohol. Sobriety gives us the time and space to become exactly who we want to be. When we start to accept ourselves for exactly who we are, we stop punishing ourselves for exactly who we're not.